Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video shares my personal experience with Zwift Run. Zwift Run, found at www.zwifoot.com/run, offers a unique and engaging way to take your running indoors. This platform translates the experience of outdoor running into a virtual environment, allowing you to explore diverse landscapes and compete with others, all from the comfort of your treadmill. Whether you're a seasoned marathoner or just beginning your running journey, Zwift provides a motivating and interactive experience. By connecting compatible devices like smart treadmills, footpods, or watches, Zwift Run accurately tracks your speed and distance. This data is then used to propel your avatar through richly detailed virtual worlds. Imagine running through the streets of London, tackling the hills of Watopia, or exploring other stunning digital landscapes. Zwift constantly updates its course offerings, ensuring fresh and exciting challenges. Beyond the scenic routes, Zwift Run offers a vibrant social component. You can join group runs, participate in structured training plans, and even race against other runners from around the globe. This community aspect adds a layer of motivation and camaraderie, making your indoor runs more enjoyable and less solitary. The platform also provides personalized training programs tailored to your individual goals, whether you're aiming to improve your 5K time or simply maintain a consistent running routine. These structured plans, combined with the interactive nature of the virtual environment, help keep you engaged and focused on your progress. Zwift Run isn't just about escaping the elements, it's about enhancing your overall running experience. It provides a stimulating alternative to traditional treadmill running, offering a fun and effective way to stay motivated, connect with other runners, and achieve your fitness objectives. So, lace up your virtual shoes and get ready to explore the world of Zwift Run.